Yeah. Oh, hey guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Albedo Concrete aka Ben 10. Today, come let's go. We share about the horror science lah. Okay, now today I come into the part. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go. Oh, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, guys. Today, sorry, because yesterday and Friday because I not making some about the horror science. This one, guys. Okay, guys. So now, I already color about the horror science about this one this one the poster I already color it. This one the picture about this one. This one is my poster about the horror science. Okay, guys. Okay, this one I want to tell you guys at your school have or not you learning about science Okay, guys. Sorry because this one is one I have a one to share you guys about the my story my nostalgia about I learning science at the school long time ago about that. I just why I so obsessed with my what the science the what the calling like something learning about science that one I mean this one learning about science I just remember because the one is one history about the science community about I want to tell you guys about a long time ago I was a childhood learning science about at the school. So sometimes because this one is not anything about not about entertainment or what about the learning. It's not about learning or what learning and entertainment or something that's one because the science sometimes this one I already buy about the space this one the space I already buy in the kitchen space I buy Friday also. So this one I want to show you guys about the astronomy because sometimes I want to prove all you guys about why I so obsessed with the science about I just learning about that learning at the school I go like a cheap school like the science convention like something that one the like a national science that one at the Malaysia because for now the science national science already popularity already closed away so now people already going to move to the KLCC at the Petro Science at KLCC because I want to show you guys about this one. This one the science this one guys. Okay guys do you know guys I want to tell you do you know guys about the horror science okay guys okay like this because I have one game about the horror science about the one game the virtual novel game like the Japanese virtual novel game about the science like they're fully with the action and also learning that one I just want to tell you guys don't know about that one. Oh, because this game, about the game, about the game, what the science, the calling what the science girl, the one I just want to tell you guys about this one because sometimes about the science, I like learning about I like learning about the like psychology and also the astronomy that too I like. Because that's why this one the horror science I want to prove you guys I want to make something like the remaker version because this one is not copycat this one like mixed with the student school high school they're learning about science for high school because that time I just it's mosquito sometimes every time I just want to what I want to tell you guys about if you guys about learning about science because this one not like normally learning science this one is like something like entertainment what entertainment science about the action like something mixed with horror action and sci-fi or something that one because this one only the poster merchandise because this one for I want making the some poster because this one is for what for my what for for my sample. This one only I making the merchandise only lah. That's why they are dressed up like a Malaysian high school SMK. This one something like this one they are dressed like this one the first epic graphic novel lah. The first edition one. This one my first edition about this one. All of these are. That's why I want to show you guys about the horror science, because that horror science this one is not simply for entertainment for kids lah. Because this one is like little bit horror, like little bit action, like little bit violent. Not violent. I mean a bit trailer or something that one. Because this one science because I so want to making about not like a copycat or something lah, like a remaker version or this one lah. Sometimes because this one is not what you guys are you talking about the science. I just want to tell you guys because I so miss learning about science, because I don't like anything science like something I like psychology and also astronomy. That two I like, science astronomy, science psychology. That's what I just want to learn, because the other science because I don't know about that lah. Because this one like something like a science engineer, I don't know lah, because this one like all the science about this one. This one is like a school science, like action lah, like the action Power Rangers. Because this one is like a high school Malaysian form version lah. This one. So this one the merchandise I saw. This one the science multi science lah. This one all science only. Like this one engineer. This one I don't know. This one I know this one psychology. This one psychology and the computer. This one the three I don't know what they call. Something what that calling about the science community. This one the astronomy also lah. This one astronomy. This one astronomy. I do astronomy because I learn about astronomy or like this one lah. Is this lah? This one? Yeah. Okay lah. So guys, okay lah. So guys, this one only I can tell you guys about I want to make some my first edition graphic novel about the science science the horror science lah, but not what lah. I don't know. I think I want to making some graphic novel, but I don't know what the story about move. I don't know move by move, because I just think about the move of this character my first edition lah. This one. So that's why guys, so don't worry about that, because I draw the merchandise first to testing like this one lah, like this one only the poster for testing, and also the science and also the science. So I want to prove of you guys about this one I learning about science. That's why I just want to tell you. That's why lah. Maybe I think first lah. I use move by move first. For example, I want to make for poster merchandise demo only. Okay lah. That's all lah. I can tell. Okay. Okay lah. Guys, okay lah. This one only lah. I can tell you guys about the science lah. Sorry guys because yesterday Saturday and Friday I'm so busy, because Saturday is so raining, because that's why I cannot making the video science, because I want to sit inside the park. I cannot sit inside the house too. So many family disturb me. I want to alone to make a social media with you guys. So that's why I come here to park. It's Sunday lah. So don't worry guys. This one is about the science. This one the science SMK science. I want to make the social media. So I think lah about the comic first but I cannot simply to want to draw like that. Let I use my imagination to create the story. Okay lah, that's one lah. That's all lah. Okay lah. Guys, this one I just want to tell you lah. Okay, new people, if you see this my YouTube channel, you don't forget press the subscribe and press the bell button and press the like button and share to your friend like an email lah. Okay lah, but whatever you don't worry about. Maybe because this month I have something busy lah. If I not busy, I can making like a social media in the YouTube channel like usual lah. That's why lah. Okay lah. See you soon guys lah. Maybe next time we can meet again lah if I give some moment lah. Okay lah. Goodbye guys. Okay lah. Thank you. Okay bye.